Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the RHYTHM FUN Folding Treadmill, specifically the 2025 model. If you're short on space but still want to get your cardio in at home, this could be a game changer. I'm going to break down the pros and cons based on my hands-on experience, so you can decide if it's right for you. Let's jump right in. First off, the pros. One of the biggest selling points is its compact, foldable design. It folds up easily and stands vertically, making it perfect for small apartments or homes with limited storage. At just under 100 pounds, it's relatively lightweight and easy to move around. The motor is surprisingly quiet, so you won't disturb the neighbors during your early morning runs. It offers a decent speed range up to 10 miles per hour, which is great for both walking and jogging sessions. Plus, it's budget-friendly, coming in at around $300, making it accessible for beginners or those on a tight budget. The built-in LCD display tracks essentials like time, distance, calories, and speed, helping you monitor your workouts effectively. Now, let's talk about the cons to keep it balanced. While it's foldable, the build quality feels a bit flimsy compared to higher-end models. The deck might not hold up well for intense, daily runs, especially if you're over 200 pounds. It lacks advanced features like incline adjustments or app connectivity, which could disappoint tech-savvy users. Assembly can be a hassle, taking about 30 to 45 minutes, and the warranty is only 1 year, which is shorter than some competitors. Also, the cushioning on the running belt isn't the best, potentially leading to joint discomfort over time. Overall, the RHYTHM FUN Folding Treadmill is a solid choice for casual users or those starting their fitness journey, but it might not suit serious athletes. If you're looking for an affordable, space-saving option, give it a try. Don't forget to check the latest prices and read user reviews before buying. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.